There you go. You pull out the scythe. Word.
While.
As you should, man. As you should. Alright. So, local map. Where's the stone? House of Clan Shatter Shield.
I was talking about horse riding.
Smiles happily.
Skyrim's a hard
Yay!
place.
Scythe help. Or scythe hype. Damn it, now you can't threaten Tyler. That's another reason why I went ahead and gave him the mod privilege. Nah, but seriously, Tyler's spent over 160 hours in my channel, which I cannot thank him enough for that. And he's definitely helped me through quite a bit of stuff. So yeah, thank you, Tyler, and welcome to the mod team. And watch as I lockpick. Fail.
Oi, do you really think
Oh, no, that's the wrong command.
I'm telling you, I'm serving the aces and it's game, set, and match.
Whoops, I could use.
What the hell? No, 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 no!
There it is. That's the right command. That's what I'm looking for. Here I go with the lockpicks again. Go, 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 go. You're a Woomander. Ah, damn it. I haven't been paying attention. You know what? Hang on. Let's just go ahead and save scum back. Get back some of those lockpicks we missed. Oh, jeez. Well, that's not good. Oh, yeah, it's not going to be in the same location twice. That's right. Well, that didn't help any. Oh. Beep. Right. Whoop. Oh, nope. So it's going to be more on the right side. Like, maybe right here. Come on. Magic lockpicks. Magic lockpicks. Or not. Come on. Come on. It begins! No. Hoi! Study. Jedi mind trick. You see nothing. Yes, it must resist. Resist the urge to highlight CDG. That should have went. Haha! Yeah! Did it in 2! Yeah! In the words of the Emperor, do it! Alright. Quick save while I'm here. Alright. Let's see if I could. I am tiptoeing.
You need to leave.
Oh, shoot!
You need to leave.
Damn it! Alright. I'm going to leave. I'm going to give her about an hour. Or no. 3 hours. She might be asleep by then. Curve back around. And we'll do our... oh, nice fight. She locked the door! She locked the door! So yeah, this is how Woo plays Skyrim. Are you entertained? I got friggin' CDG, dang it. you know what? If I... You know what? Let me just quickly move. Go, 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 go. Ha!
You need to leave.
Nope, I'm not here.
Maybe you need to leave.
Nope, I am not leaving. Where's that stone? Where's that stone? There it is. Okay, I'm leaving.
You need to leave.
Yep, totally leaving.
There aren't a lot of travel.
All the leaving.
You need to leave.
That's what I'm doing. Where's the door? Okay, there we go. That was the best reaction for me today. Yay! We got through the thing.